Your ACE comes fitted with volumetric dosing. This is a widely used system that measures the volume of water supplied to the group head. This is used to deliver consistency with your coffee shots. To program a dose, ensure your machine is at full temperature. Then press and hold button 3 until you see DOS on the screen. Place a cup onto a set of scales and tare to 0. Place both on the drip tray below the group head. Dose and prepare a portafilter with your ideal espresso recipe. Lock the portafilter into the group head and press the button that you'd like to program. As you reach your ideal shot weight, press the button you're programming again to stop the shot. Then press button 3 to exit dose programming and save your new dose. Soft Infusion is an industry-leading program specific to Conti multi-boiler machines. It is designed to use the residual pressure of the coffee brewing network to pre-infuse the coffee bed at low pressures like a lever machine. To change soft infusion times, you will need to access the technical menu again. Enter Eco Mode by pressing and holding button 3 and press button 2. Then holding button 3 for around 5 seconds to access the technical menu. Using button 2 this time, we can scroll across until we see P1, P2 or P3. The P stands for pre-infusion on either buttons 1, 2 or 3. Scroll to your desired button, select the button using button 3, and then you can increase your pre-infusion time using button 2 or decrease your pre-infusion time using button 1. Once you're satisfied with your soft infusion time, you can save it using button 3. Scroll through the technical menu until you see ESC. Select ESC using button 3 and the machine will escape into Eco Mode, then exit Eco Mode by using button